Don't miss this. Shopify's biggest deal of the year is live right now. This offer won't last long, and once it's gone, it's gone. Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'll show you how you can grab Shopify's Black Friday special offer where you can get a free trial and 3 months of Shopify for just $1 per month. To claim this offer, just scroll down to this video's description or pinned comment and click on my special Shopify link. It will take you straight to Shopify's offer page. Once you're there, enter your email address, click Start Free Trial, and create your store name. That's it. Your Shopify trial will begin instantly. Then you can start customizing your theme, adding products, and preparing your store for the biggest shopping season of the year. So don't wait. This Black Friday deal is available for a limited time only. Start your Shopify store today and set yourself up for success this holiday season. If you want to learn how to create your full Shopify store step by step, click on the left video. Or if you want to know how to find winning products for dropshipping, click on the right video. Thanks for watching and happy selling.